This video is entitled, Can You Honor God Without the Principal Things of Life? And I'm standing here in front of my loquat plant because it represents life, it represents abundance, it represents prosperity. People in hoodoo spirituality have more holidays than the world because every blessing, every breakthrough, every act of provision is a holy day. But here's the question nobody wants to ask. Can you truly honor God, honor yourself, or honor these holy days if you don't have the principal things of life? Water, clothing, shelter to cover your shame, and bread. The answer is no. Not in fullness, not in dignity, not in the way our ancestors understood holiness. You can remember the day, you can acknowledge the meaning, but you cannot rest in it if your life is in survival mode. How can a person celebrate a Sabbath of rest when they have no rest? How can a person celebrate a feast day when they have no bread? How can a person honor themselves when their basic needs are unmet? Our ancestors were cut off from these things, cut off from the land, cut off from language, cut off from identity, cut off from the chief things of life. And that's exactly what the scripture said would happen. So when I teach, I don't just teach identity. Identity without stability is noise. Identity without provision is frustration. Identity without dignity is unfinished. The principal things of life are not luxuries. They are the foundation of holiness. Water, clothing, shelter, bread. Once you secure those, you can honor God with clarity, honor yourself with dignity, and honor the holy days with rest and gratitude. That's the real restoration. That's the real salvation.